Hello, my name is William Henry. I am a teacher in the Allied Health Sports Medicine program at Lenape Technical School in Armstrong County. We serve the sending districts of Apollo Ridge, Armstrong, Freeport, and Leechburg. First off, I would just like to thank the administration, Ms. Coker, Ms. Brock, Mr. Kukta, and Mr. Pertel for their advice and help here at Lenape Tech. And I also like to thank the Armstrong County Memorial Hospital Auxiliary, and we wouldn't be able to do that without their assistance this year, especially Lynn Sterling, who is at the conference today. This started last year in the fall and the spring on a small trial basis where we were sending 5 to 6 students at a time in the school van. We would actually drive the students to Armstrong County Memorial Hospital in Katanning, which is about a 10-minute trip. It really isn't that difficult. The students would leave right after lunch. This was in the 15-16 school year, and they returned sometime after 2 o'clock to make sure they caught their buses at the end of the day. This year we were fortunate. The Armstrong County Memorial Hospital Auxiliary was able to provide us with some transportation, a small bus, so we're able to take at most 20 students per visit this year. We went on Thursdays, Enrichment Day. Thank you, Kelsey. We went on Enrichment Day, which is basically where students go to receive tutoring and help. We were able to leave at approximately 10:30, and then the auxiliary provided lunch for the students at Armstrong County Memorial Hospital, and then they returned by the bus again at a little bit after 2 o'clock each day. So these students that volunteered, they actually had some training or certification prior to going too. We offer the CNA certification here at Lenape Tech. So some of the students in the spring especially had CNA certification before they went to the hospital. Also, other students had at least job shadowing experience before they volunteered in a healthcare setting. They received orientation through the hospital auxiliary and the hospital administration at Armstrong County, so that helped. They also had, prior to visiting the facility, they had to, of course, permission slips, HIPAA certification slips, TB testing, and when it's flu season, they had to have their flu shots. And those things are all part of what we do for the CNA program, but for this year, the hospital offered the flu shots free of charge for the students. The hardest part about all of from my perspective, was organizing and getting the students all the paperwork in, and then making sure that the students were eligible. Certain students couldn't go, of course, if grades weren't up and those sorts of things. So monitoring students' grades, monitoring students' behavior, things like that, and having all the paperwork, of course, completed. So again, just to review, we did this on Thursdays this year. We received some transportation help from the hospital auxiliary, which really helped. We took as many as 20 students at a time. We left on Thursdays just 1 day a week. We ran for about 3 months time. Students that were ineligible, of course, didn't go. And the students, and they're going to talk about this in just a second, they were able to go and visit different sections and different floors and receive their assignments through the hospital volunteer program and hospital auxiliary. So that was great. One other thing, a lot of the students were over 18 years of age, so they were able to go to all the different locations within the hospital, including the psychiatric unit where they had to be 18 years of age or older to participate in that. So what we've done today is we've invited 5 students and 5 volunteers to come in here today and talk about their experience volunteering at Armstrong County Memorial Hospital. Again, I'd just like to thank administration on both ends for helping us. This is a great thing for us to have those students experience the different floors, occupations, and meet and network with people at our local hospital, which is one of the biggest employers in the county. Okay, Kelsey, this is Kelsey, and she's going to tell you a little bit here.
Hello, my name is Kelsey. I'm a senior in Allied Health and Sports Medicine. I took my Certified Nursing Assistant here at Lenape Tech. My future career as of right now is nursing. When I visited the different areas of the hospital, I really enjoyed what I saw. I went to ICU and I got to see my very first NG tube being put in and MRSA precautions. When I went to ambulatory surgery, I got to discharge several patients and watch paperwork being done. And then by far the best experience is when I went to med-surg, Dr. Hepner invited me to go see some of his surgeries. I went on April 25th and observed 7 surgical procedures that included a total hip, total knees, and a carpal tunnel surgery. I would like to thank ACMH for this opportunity to go and see as much as I can and to really see the inside of a hospital on a daily basis.
Hi, my name is Abby and I am from Lenape Tech. I'm in the Allied Health Sports Medicine program. I've been here for 2 years and I also received the training in Certified Nursing Assistant. Currently, my future goal is to be a dental hygienist. While volunteering at the hospital, I got to interact with patients and hear stories from each of them. On the skilled nursing unit, I assisted in giving the patients food and passing trays. I was also taught about the information needed for admitting a patient. I got to assist in discharging patients and transporting them to the main floor. While I was in ICU, I got to see a patient that was affected by MRSA, which I had never got to see before. I just wanted to thank everyone that provided us with the opportunity of volunteering at ACMH Hospital. I really enjoyed learning more about the medical field from all of the wonderful nurses and staff at ACMH Hospital.
My name is Rachel Steiner. My shop is Allied Health and Sports Medicine. I've been a student here at Lenape for the last 3 years. I'm also planning on going to school to be a dental hygienist. And I just want to start off by saying thank you for everybody at the hospital and at Lenape Tech here for giving me this opportunity to go into the hospital, kind of giving you your foot in the door, just the opportunity. And while volunteering at the hospital, I've visited 2 floors, 3B, which was telemetry, and 2A, which was the psych unit. I really enjoyed the psych unit because it just kind of has a different feeling than the rest of the hospital. You don't necessarily do the same things. Like, I pretty much just got to observe sessions that they would have and go to the rooms with the nurses who were extremely nice there, and any questions I had, they answered. You check on the patients every 15 minutes. And in telemetry, I passed ICE, just went and visited with all the patients in there. So again, I just want to say thank you for everybody who's given us this opportunity, and I really enjoyed volunteering at the hospital.
I'm Nicole Miller, and I'm a senior at Lenape Tech. My shop is Allied Health Sports Medicine, and I volunteered at ACMH last fall. I really enjoyed my time there. I got to work on 2 different floors when I was in the ER. I learned what information you must have on a patient before they can be put into a room. I watched nurses evaluate the patients in their rooms to get them the help that they need. Another floor I was on was oncology. I got to collect and pass out ice pitchers while interacting with the patients. I also got to pass lunch trays so that the patients got the nutrition that they need to stay healthy. I plan on going back and volunteering this summer. My future goal includes going to BC3 to get my RN and to keep moving up from there. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Riley. I'm from Allied Health and Sports Medicine from Lenape Tech in Ford City, PA. I was a volunteer in the fall of 2016 at the ACMH Hospital. When I was in ICU, I got to help out with postmortem care, and I got to help all the friendly nurses with their daily tasks. In oncology, I passed out lunch trays and ice pitchers to the patients, and I learned how to discharge them. My future plans are to go to Citizens School of Nursing to become a registered nurse in the fall of 2018. Volunteering helped me get a feel for nursing and made me realize that this is the career for me. I really enjoyed getting to know some of the patients and am really grateful for all the people that I've met. Overall, volunteering was an amazing experience, and I am very happy that I got to be a part of this opportunity. Thank you.